how to create wallet or how to create your account on OKX Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily create an account on OKX Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to create an account on OKX Wallet, you can do so through OKX Wallet application, or you can do it on the OKX browser. So all you have to do is on your browser head into OKX Wallet sign up, and then you should see okx.com register now option. You can head there and you can register, or you can get the application and open it up. You can get the application on your Play Store or App Store. You can see the sign up or login option. Now whether you want to do it for the OKX Exchange or OKX Wallet, then if you want to do it for wallet, you can head over to wallet as well. You should be able to see here options as well, and you can see you'll get the option to back up your wallet. You can create it easily simply by heading over there and backing it up. Similarly, if you want to log in or sign up, tap on sign up or login option, then use the sign up option there. So if you have an account, you can easily sign in or not, then tap on sign up and you can go ahead and sign up easily. So all you have to do is first select in your country and accept the terms and conditions, tap on next and confirm your location. Then go ahead and it should give you various other prompts that you will have to enter in, such as your email address and a name and such. Make sure to enter in all the details correctly, or else you might have problems later on in verifying the account. So this is how you can sign up on OKX Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.